The recent Kodak Black situation got the attention of rappers in the industry. With Kodak's scary downfall, we even seen Boonk say,
"Well, right now, man, we worried about you. You don't look too healthy. And from the outside looking in, it's obvious that you're a and I don't believe for 1 second you just doing for your own enjoyment. Nah, you trying to find something to fill up that void that's within your chest. See, I've been where you at right now, but by the grace of God, I'm clean. Them strongholds have been pulled down. Them chains are broken. So I'm qualified to talk about this. You got to make a decision, bro. You got too many people looking up to you. And from one father to another, got to set the right example for your son. This coming from somebody who genuinely cares. So if you come across this video, you want to sit at the table, break bread, man, holla at me."
With every day that passes, new footage of Kodak being strung out hits the internet, not only proving that he's hanging with the wrong crowd that's filming him, but he truly needs help, as Kanye West even spoke out trying to save him.
Okay, so I thought Kodak was in Miami. I see he's in Atlanta, so I'm gonna flight down to Atlanta right now and do something. So anybody that's already down in Atlanta that knows him and knows anything about him, I know I said rappers and all that, but right now, I need y'all, man, to like really go and do something. Like we can't. I know y'all think I'm crashing out. Y'all, you see me talking, I'm expressing myself. And look, man, please don't. I know I said a lot, and just let me go down there and go help this man out.
As this was Kanye's reaction to the new viral post of Kodak Black eating chicken right in the middle of the street, looking strung out, not like himself, or even speaking any proper English.
The wrong thing. Take a seat next to him. Take a seat next to him. Enjoy that food. Enjoy that. Take a seat next to him, brother. Talk to the people. Oh, hold on, bro. I want to be part of. Bro, I want to join them, bro. I want to be down here.
To then later that night, Kodak Black pacing around his room, claiming that he's Drake's favorite rapper, which he could be, but it's more the fact that another one of his friends are sitting there recording him in a time where he needed to help Kodak instead.
I'm Drake's favorite rapper.
Who?
I'm his favorite rapper.
You Drake favorite rapper?
Yeah.
Nah.
He always say that, even his people always say that. They always say that. Even when he ain't, you know what I mean? Even when he ain't around, so shit like, oh, no, it's for real, bro. You just got it.
However, there is an explanation on how we even got to this point, which is very important to hear. On February 28th, 2023, it was announced Kodak Black admits to being on but denies being on other items after pleading not guilty on possession and firearm charges.
I was on the, I was asleep in front of my family house, bro. That's it. I was on that drink, sleep in front of my people's house, but that ain't illegal. And that ain't illegal. So all that shit is just the process that it had to be in other mud shot. The process that even though like bogus is and plastered all over the internet, then on top of that, it's like, bro, like, I'm Haitian, and then it's just like my era, bro, like, nah, like, man, you better off.
And shortly after this Instagram live, the feds would end up raiding Kodak's home, arresting the rapper, as well as confiscating many illegal items that were found within his home. While arrested, he would then hire lawyer Brian Cohen. He was able to secure a deal to have Kodak Black sent to a rehab center rather than sitting in jail for over 2 years.
Kodak, whose real name is Bill Capri, faced a judge Tuesday in Orange after turning himself in following an arrest warrant issued for violation of his pretrial release. Authorities said he tested positive during a random test earlier this month.
What is this unjust and not right about this situation?
Black, addressing the judge after the pretrial release technician testified he may have mixed up the samples between Black and another patient.
There's no way you tested positive. We can resolve that by way of a hair sample, and that'll clear you.
Judge Barbara Duffy then asking for a hair sample today to clear up the alleged mix-up, which Black refused, rather choosing to check into the Legacy Rehabilitation Facility for 30 days as part of his pretrial release.
This resulted in Kodak pausing his music career for quite some time. No new music or IG lives would end up stalling his career, making many forget about Kodak Black. But while in rehab, Kodak would turn his life around fast, writing new music, working out daily, and becoming a much better person. When he would leave the rehab center, he would release his hit song Walk, gathering 33 million views, climbing right back to the top of the charts. This was, however, until the success got right back into his head. He would then be featured on a Kai Cenat live stream, having extreme sweat attacks, swatting at things in the air that aren't actually there, and shouting random things, scaring Kai Cenat in the process.
You can't always say it, but at times when it feel good, that's what you say sometimes. Yeah. I thought your name was Bubba. Hey, oh.
But the morning after the live stream, Kodak would then hop on IG Live trying to explain the situation to everyone and how you shouldn't be caring about what he takes on a day-to-day basis, as it's not your life, it's his own.
Say y'all people like who be on that, y'all be on all type of shit. Y'all be on shit. Say all type of stupid but I take me one and y'all be so hurt. Y'all wanna like it anyway. Yeah. Everybody else who be coming like on that timing, they ain't got no motion. They broke, they hurt, they something, or they trying to come into life some kind of way and trying to like look for any type of relationship. Yeah, I could come in that way. Oh, I think you need help. Oh, look, bro, but y'all like, and then y'all don't think.
With Kai Cenat being one of the biggest streamers in the entire world, mixed in with Kodak's already huge following online, this made millions disappointed that he broke his sobriety, making himself look terrible on live stream and messing up his image. But this would end up lingering for the next couple of months. With a younger audience now getting the attention of Kodak Black, they would end up seeing him at a local football game, where somebody would tell Kodak he loves it when he is sober, leading into Kodak responding pretty aggressively.
Say I love when Kodak's sober. Chain sober. I love sober.
That nigga's going for two.
I know it's sober. For what? For what? Look at all this money. Look at all this cash. Sober for what? We young sober.
But this wouldn't be the only football game that he would attend for this week. He would then show up to the Baltimore Ravens game, once again looking extremely out of it near his fans. A tweet would read, "NFL fans are worried for rapper Kodak Black's health as he appeared off while showing love to star quarterback Lamar Jackson."
Hey Kodak, what you gotta say about the Ravens, big G? I love Ravens. Hello. Hey, what about that boy LJ, man? What you gotta tell the flock about that boy LJ, man? Yeah! Hello, yeah! Hey, that boy Yak in the city. Yeah, Yak in the city. I live out here. Hello. Yeah, Yak in the city. Baltimore, let him know.
This, however, would be the final straw for many in the industry. Watching Kodak go down a terrible spiral, it was clear that he needed help, which is then when it was announced, Wallow and Gilly give some life advice to Kodak Black, saying to never doubt yourself, you got them babies counting on you.
Don't ever doubt yourself, you got them babies counting on you. There's gonna be times where you're gonna doubt yourself, you're gonna be in pain, but them babies counting on you, you gotta be here. And I'm telling you that because a lot of people get around you and they see your success and they say, oh man, a lot of people need you, and they yes man you. I ain't here to yes man you. You know me, every time we connect with you, you know I got love for you. Not because I need you, I got love for you because you're a young cat and I was young, Gil was young. Live. And I'm telling you that because you see that love that lady get, you see how you light up when I talk about your babies? Live. These people wanna laugh, they wanna joke, they wanna criticize. They don't know your pain, I don't know your pain. But I know one thing, them babies counting on you.
Trying to reason with Kodak on his recent struggles, as his life is a lot bigger than just him. According to Google, Kodak Black has 5 children, while also being the breadwinner for his own personal family of his mother as well as siblings. Even a viral tweet would share, "Every time I see Kodak Black, I just get sad. This man has 4 baby moms, and none of you greedy women care about him for real, because why aren't y'all helping him? Probably sitting around waiting for him to pass," which relates to his surroundings once again. Not having that supportive cast that he needs to succeed in a very hard world. No matter if you have money or not, the world is very tough. This even resulted in Kodak Black apologizing to everyone and wanting to use his influence for change.
I'm honestly, I'm sorry to everybody. I'm sorry to the people who I heard it I'm sorry if you don't understand me. I'm sorry if you just don't like me. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry, and I'm sorry. And I'm sorry to everybody that I've wronged. And I'm just sorry to all the times I made my mom cry. And I'm sorry to all the girls whose heart I broke. I'm sorry to young Miami. You know what I'm saying? For kind of disrespecting her and stuff like that. She accepted my apology.
She did?
But even though he was sorry, history would repeat itself once again, as Kodak Black would return to using. As it would then be announced, Kodak Black says the whole world is on fun items during an Instagram live, saying everybody's using it while we're just waiting to pass on.
Everybody getting while we waiting on other people too, right? Other people, they don't know how to let time do its thing. Everybody let time do it, bro. Time is the best, what you call it, whether it's gonna heal or whatever it's gonna let time do it. You gotta be patient. Love is patient, love is kind. Like I'm saying, it makes absolutely zero sense, no sense at all. Try to approach the situation with any type of aggression. The whole world everybody on your man on your everybody getting while we waiting, while we just down here waiting on when we're gonna.
But the following day later, once again, going on Instagram Live, responding to Kanye West's message to save him, as it would then be announced that Kodak Black said, Kanye is a real one. You know why he's a real one? Kanye's the only guy who still likes Diddy. I'm pretty sure the feds are gonna probably seize all of that boy's accounts. Kanye just did some real stuff, and you know what? I'm gonna do a collab with you so we can get some money and do stuff still.
Sleeping and people done woke me up yeah. Kanye a real one. You know why you a real one? Cause I'm some whole kinda Kanye the only still did it. Cause he know he ain't a lot of the other look at me. I'm clean yeah. And why Kanye cause